वाहेगुरु जी का खालसा वाहेगुरु जी की फतेह. This meditation is inspired by Guru Nanak Dev Ji's profound wisdom, where he describes how forgetting the divine Naam leads to suffering and how attachment to Maya stains the soul. He reminds us that true liberation comes only through the remembrance of Vaheguru. And even if one has gone astray, Vaheguru's grace can still uplift them. Through this meditation, we will detach from worldly illusions, purify our hearts, and embrace the eternal joy of Naam. Vaheguru. Find a quiet place. Sit comfortably with your spine straight and gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. With each breath, allow yourself to become fully present in this moment. Vaheguru. Vaheguru. Let us begin by absorbing the divine wisdom of Guru Nanak Dev Ji's Shabad. धनासरी महल्ला पहला. जियो तपत है बारो बार. The soul burns repeatedly in suffering. तप तप खप्पै बहुत बेकार. It burns and wastes away in many useless pursuits. जैतन बाणी विसर जाए. When one forgets the divine Bani or Shabad of Vaheguru, ज्यों पक्का रोगी will lie. They suffer like a diseased person, crying in pain. Take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Now bring to mind the restlessness of the worldly life. Reflect on how the mind constantly chases desires but never finds peace. Have you ever felt empty, restless, or unsatisfied despite having everything? This is the burning of the soul Guru Nanak Dev Ji speaks about. A mind disconnected from Naam is like a diseased body crying out for relief. Silently say, Vaheguru, reconnect me to your divine wisdom. Feel a sense of surrender and longing for divine remembrance. Further, Guru Nanak Dev Ji says in the Shabad, बहुता बोलण झक्खण होए. Speaking too much is just useless. विण बोले जाने सब सोए रहाओ. Without speaking, he always knows everything. And this is where, with Rahao, Guru Nanak Dev Ji says, take a pause and reflect. We often complain, overthink, and worry. But Guruji tells us Vaheguru already knows our struggles. Instead of feeling restless or complaining, let us trust Vaheguru and surrender all our burdens. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, release all worries into hands of Vaheguru. Silently say, Vaheguru, I let go of my worries and trust you completely. Feel a deep relaxation and sense of trust within. Guru Nanak Dev Ji further says, Jin kan kite akhi naak. He gave you ears, eyes, and nose. Jin jihwa ditti bole tat. He gave you a tongue that speaks so quickly. Every part of our body is a gift from Vaheguru. Our eyes, ears, tongue, and the breath. Instead of using them for complaining or gossiping, let us use them to glorify Vaheguru. वाहेगुरु की सिफत सलाह करिए. Now place your right hand on your heart and feel the gratitude for his divine gift, this divine life. With each inhale, feel Vaheguru's presence in your breath and silently say, Vaheguru, I am grateful for every blessing you have given me. Feel a wave of gratitude and humility wash over you. Further, Guruji says, Jita moho parit swad. All worldly attachments, love and taste. Sabba kalak daga dag. Only stain the soul with impurity. The world is temporary, yet we cling to possessions, relationships, and status. Guruji reminds us that these attachments only leave stains on our soul. True peace is found not in worldly pleasures, but only in Naam. Now visualize yourself letting go of all attachments, as if dropping a very heavy baggage. Feel yourself becoming lighter, freer, and more at peace. Silently say, Vaheguru, free me from all the illusions. Let me live in your truth. Feel a deep sense of detachment and clarity. Guruji further says, करम मिलै आखण तेरा नाव. Only by His grace can one receive the gift of Naam. जित लग तरना होर नहीं थाओ. Only through Naam can we cross the ocean of life. There is no other way. Guruji clearly tells us Naam is the only way to liberation. No amount of wealth, power, or rituals can replace true devotion and Simran. The path to freedom is not outside us, it is within. Only through Naam Simran. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Now immerse yourself in the vibration of Vaheguru's Naam and gently chant Vaheguru, 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 Vaheguru. Vaheguru, Vaheguru, Vaheguru. Feel yourself crossing the ocean of illusion, moving towards divine peace. Vaheguru, Vaheguru. And Guru Nanak Dev Ji ends this Shabad with जे को डूबै फिर होवै सार. Even if someone drowns in Maya, Vaheguru still takes care of them. Nanak Sacha Sarb Datar. O Nanak, the eternal Lord is the giver of all. Even if we have made mistakes or strayed from the path, Vaheguru's Kirpa is limitless. There is always a way back, always forgiveness, always love. No one is beyond redemption. All we need to do is turn towards Vaheguru. Now feel Vaheguru's Kirpa washing over you, like a mother embracing her lost child. You are forgiven, accepted, loved, exactly as you are. Silently say, Vaheguru, thank you for always taking care of me, no matter what. Feel a deep sense of divine love and belonging. Now let go of all words and simply rest in the presence of Vaheguru. Feel the peace, love, and light within you. And silently repeat, Vaheguru, 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 Vaheguru. Allow yourself to merge into the silence. Everything is perfect in Vaheguru's Hukam. Vaheguru, Vaheguru, Vaheguru. Vaheguru, Vaheguru, Vaheguru. Slowly bring your awareness back. Feel gratitude for this divine connection. Whenever you are ready, gently open your eyes. And as you carry on for the rest of your day, remember Naam. It is the only true refuge. Trust Vaheguru. He knows your struggles even before you speak. Let go of Maya. Don't chase illusions. Embrace divine truth of Naam and never lose hope. No one and nothing is beyond Vaheguru's Kirpa. वाहेगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहेगुरु जी की फतेह।